SC602W8 servo reciprocating intelligent pillow packaging machine has fast packaging speed, high precision, and wide range. The mechanical structure is simple, the debugging is convenient and intuitive, and the after-sales maintenance cost is low. It can be used for packaging quick frozen foods such as dumplings, wontons, buns, glutinous rice balls, and various solid and regular objects such as multiple or single bulk buns, steamed buns, hamburgers, bread, cakes, and cartons. If you want to know more, you can contact us.